Hi friends, great afternoon and welcome to Daily Analysis. And first of all, let me wish all you a happy Holi. Since it's a Holi, first off, it's a holiday for India market and we are likely to open at 5 o'clock in the evening. And 5 o'clock, again, the trading will start in commodity, right? Now, let us first see, as usual, now we normally do previous day's analysis. So previous day, what had happened, let us see. I had clearly mentioned that overall my trend is positive. I was always looking for a buy opportunity. And also I told it can be a sideways day. And you can see the almost up to in the evening, almost up to 7, 8, 8:30, market was only playing in a sideways direction, right? There was not much bigger movement. Only thing the option seller would have made some theta advantage. They would have got a theta advantage. And later in the after 8:30, we got a good movement, and exactly as we expected, market went up, and we got a pattern also, which we discussed during our weekly webinar. And I have mentioned in my yesterday's video that I was expecting a maximum target of 6,600 level, which was our pivot levels. But in fact, the price didn't went up to those levels, but it closed somewhere near to those levels, right? 6,667 somewhere it closed, right? This is what actually happened. Overall, it was a bullish trend, right? Now let us see what is today's expectation. Friends, since today a market has not opened in India in MCX, we need to draw the CPR range manually. Anyway, I'll be coming to that. Before that, let us see what is happening with NYMEX. Then we will come to MCX, right? First, let us do analysis with our daily candle. A daily candle actually giving us a very good signal that crude is in bullish trend, right? See, the psychology behind this candle is what? The market opened at around $79.86, and sellers were dominating in the beginning, and they took the price up to 78.41. But buyers were not ready to give up, and they started taking dominancy, and they took from $78.37 to all the way up to $80.70, right? And it closed somewhere near to 80.42. So this candle is a rocket candle, which we normally teach in my weekly webinar. And it is a bullish signal. Again, it is a bullish signal. Even yesterday also I told we are having a very good bullish signal here. Even yesterday's closing also showing it is a bullish signal, right? And somewhere we are at a resistance level now. This 80.56, this level is a resistance level, right? And price is almost hanging somewhere near to that level, right? So right now we need to be slightly cautious. It can take a retracement, or it can even change the trend, right? But anything closing above this level, 80.65 level, is somewhere it can go up to within this range. This range was actually marked last month, and within somewhere within this range, which is around 81.44 to $83.35 range, it can play, right? And our overall bullish trend will continue above this level, right? $83.45, right? Now, first, let us again analyze with the MCX daily candle. MCX daily candle also showing the same strength, right? Yesterday, the market actually closed with a very good bullish signal, right? And it is closed above 20 EMA. Even 20 EMA direction is actually supporting for a bullish trend. Maybe our next somewhere here, we have a small resistance, which is at 6,576.80 level. And that's what exactly it has taken. Maybe anything above this level, it can go and take a resistance around 6,663 level, right? These are what showing. And again, we have a resistance zone, which we have marked previously, right? That's all. Anyway, we need to wait and watch whether it's coming to that level or it's crossing that level, right? Now, if at all, if it's taking a retracement from this level, we have a 20 EMA, which is around 6420 level, that can act as a good support level, right? Now, since our Indian market is not open today in the first half, we will first check with NYMEX 30-minute candle, right? So first, you can understand that the CPR range is a wide CPR. It is not a narrow CPR, but compared to previous day, it is not so wide, but it's a wide CPR. and price is actually trading within the yesterday's closing range, right? Yesterday's closing was somewhere near to this 80.6055523 level, and price is still struggling within that range, right? So there is not any big movement. There is no clear direction. Probably maybe it may come down and settle somewhere near to CPR, as all we know that price may try to come and touch CPR range, maybe at 80.13 or 79.78 level. And again, it can take a support somewhere. Overall trend is bullish, so it may again take a support somewhere. It can go near to the R1 or R2 level, right? This is what it can happen, right? Now let us see what is 30 minutes in our MCX crude, right? So this first we need to understand the CPR range. We have mentioned in NYMEX, it is a wide CPR. Here also it is almost a wide CPR, starting from 6,505 to 6,540 level, right? So almost 35 point, we have a CPR range, which is a wide CPR. And we have middle CPR is around at 6.23 level. Okay, this all manually I have drawn this since market has not opened, it is not there. So I have calculated manually and I have drawn this. Okay, so this is the CPR range. It's showing a wide CPR. And as per the current market situation in NYMEX, the price is somewhere trading near to the previous day's high and closing, which is around 6585 level, right? And this is a resistance zone for us, right? And we should be cautious. Sometimes it may take a resistance and come down. Since it's a wide CPR, chances to break the CPR is slightly difficult. But if it's breaking, we need to wait and watch the direction. So if the price goes above previous day's high, and if we are getting a good bullish signal, then the first resistance can be 6637 level, right? This is our supply zone, 6637 level. Any price, any candle which is closing above this level, either an elephant candle or a rocket candle, which will lead to 6728 level. This is what today's expectation. But since it's a wide CPR, we are not sure that whether it will go up to 6729. Okay. And anything which is below previous day's low, which was around 6428 level, we have a weekly pivot 6412. So this zone will act as an again support zone, right? In case if it breaking, the price breaks CPR range somewhere near to previous day's low, which is 6428, and 6412, which is weekly pivot level, it can take as a support zone. If any candle breaks, I don't think so this support zone, which is 6383, can act as a good support, because if at all if it breaking, it can break with a good bearish candle and it can come up to 6303 level. Okay, and breaking below that, it can come to our swing low of 6228 level. But since the trend remain positive, I am not expecting anything in the downside in a bigger movement. Maybe today there can be a retracement. Since the last 2-3 days, market was all continuously, it was making upside. There can be a slight retracement, which can either sustain somewhere near to the CPR range, which is mentioned 6505 level to 6540 level, or somewhere near to previous day's low, or the weekly pivot of 6412 level. So this is what, in case if it coming a retracement, that's what expecting. Upside, we have a potential of 6637, and it can go up to 6727 at maximum level. So these are the levels for the day, and we need to take trades according to the opening. We need to watch and wait it, right? So friends, these all are my personal views and personal studies. So I don't guarantee any success or any profit from these trades. Make sure you do your own analysis and maintain proper risk-reward ratio before taking any trades. So that's all in this video, friends. And I have a couple of requests. If you're watching first time my channel, make sure you subscribe the channel and hit on the like button. Comment in the comment box what are the more information you want about my analysis. And also, I am going to conduct 2 master classes this week. On Thursday, we have a price action secret webinar, and Friday we have a superpower trader. And both we are going to start at 7:30 p.m. and it will end by 9:30 p.m. So I want all you to register for both of the master classes, and let us meet at the master class. So the link for registration is there in the description. So you can click on the link and register for the master class. Thank you very much. Wishing you all a very happy and successful trading day. Thank you.